വെൽക്കം ടു ബയോളജി ട്യൂട്ടർ. ബയോളജി ട്യൂട്ടറിന്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നാം ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് മോഡൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഫ്രം ഫുഡ് ടെക്നോളജി. 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുക. ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ഫാക്ട്സ്. അൺറാവൽ ദ മിസ്റ്ററി ഓഫ് കൊക്കുമി പെപ്റ്റൈഡ്സ് ആൻഡ് ഉമാമി. കൊക്കുമി പെപ്റ്റൈഡ്സ്, ഉമാമി, അതുപോലെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ഫാക്ട്സ് ഇതിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യും. കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വീഡിയോ കാണുക. 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ട്, ഇത് ഉപകാരപ്പെടും. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആൻസർ ചെയ്ത് എത്ര മാർക്ക് കിട്ടി എന്നുള്ളത് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, അത് മനസ്സിലാക്കി വയ്ക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളൊരു റേഞ്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൽ എത്ര നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്കോർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റി, നിങ്ങളുടെ റേഞ്ച് എത്ര കിട്ടി എന്നുള്ളത്. എക്സാം ക്ലിയർ ആവണം ഉള്ള ആൾക്കാർ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, കൃത്യമായിട്ട് ആൻസർ ചെയ്യുക. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ മാർക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഒന്ന് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഈ രീതിയിലുള്ള ഇനി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഓരോരോ സെഷൻ അനുസരിച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ട് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യാം. Unravel the mystery of Kokumi peptides and umami. First question: which pigment is primarily responsible for the red color in cured meats? Myoglobin, that is the image of myoglobin. Second one, hemocyanin. C, nitrosomyoglobin. D, anthocyanin. Here is answer. Which is the answer here? Here answer is C, nitrosomyoglobin. Second question: which is the most heat stable vitamin? Vitamin A, vitamin D, niacin, vitamin K. Which is the answer? Here answer is C, niacin. Most effective form of niacin is nicotinamide. Third question: which compound causes astringency in tea and unripe fruits? Tannins, pectin, catecholamine, lignin. Here is the answer. Which is the answer? Here answer is A, tannins. Fourth question: in freeze drying, phase transition occurs directly from dash phase to dash phase. Solid to gas, liquid to gas, liquid to solid, solid to liquid. Here answer is A, solid to gas. Fifth question: high pressure processing, HPP, can best be described as use of extreme heat to kill pathogens. B, application of isostatic pressure to inactivate microorganisms. C, irradiation of food for sterilization. D, ultrasonic vibration for food preservation. Here answer is B, application of isostatic pressure to inactivate microorganisms. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notification. Sixth question: which bacterium is commonly used in the production of natto, a traditional Japanese fermented food from soya? A, Pseudomonas fluorescens. B, Lactobacillus acidophilus. C, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. D, Bacillus subtilis. Here answer is D, Bacillus subtilis. Seventh question: which compound is most responsible for the spiciness of chili peppers? Capsaicin, B, piperine, C, curcumin, D, allyl isothiocyanate. Capsaicin എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ചില്ലിയിലുള്ളതാണ്, പൈപ്പറിൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പെപ്പറിൽ, കർക്കുമിൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മഞ്ഞളിൽ, ഇതിലുള്ള ടർമറിക്കിലുള്ളതാണ്. ഹിയർ ആൻസർ ഈസ് എ, capsaicin. AITC. AITC എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ it's a naturally occurring unsaturated isothiocyanate. The colorless oil is responsible for the pungent taste of cruciferous vegetables such as mustard, radish, horseradish and wasabi. അപ്പോൾ അതാണ് എന്താണ് അല്ലൈൽ ഐസോതയോസൈനേറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ MCQ ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതുകൂടി ആൻസർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റണം. എയ്ത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: വിച്ച് അമിനോ ആസിഡ് ഈസ് കൺസിഡേർഡ് എ ലിമിറ്റിംഗ് അമിനോ ആസിഡ് ഇൻ വീറ്റ്? ലൈസിൻ, മെത്തിയോനിൻ, ല്യൂസിൻ, arginine. Which is the answer over here? Here answer is a lysine. Ninth question: which packing material is most effective for vacuum sealed meat products? A, high density polythene HDPE. B, PVC. C, EVOH. D, polystyrene. Here answer is C, ethylene vinyl alcohol, EVOH. 10th question: which gas is commonly used to maintain the freshness of packaged snacks? Packaged snacks freshness keep in gas. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium. Your answer is B, nitrogen. 11th question. What is the permitted level of arsenic in drinking water as per FSSAI regulations? A 10 ppb, B 20, C 50, D 100. Here answer is A 10 ppb. 12th question. Which microorganism is used in tempeh fermentation? That is soya fermented food and tempeh. Here the answer A. Rhizopus oligosporus, B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, C. Lactobacillus bulgaricus, D. Aspergillus oryzae. Which is the answer over here? Your answer is A. Rhizopus oligosporus. 13th question. Which protein is responsible for celiac disease in individuals consuming wheat? A. Glutenin, B. Gliadin, C. Casein, D. Albumin. Here the answer over B. Gliadin. Here the answer gliadin. In the explanation of celiac disease or celiac disease is a chronic immune mediated intestinal disorder in which the body becomes intolerant to gliadin, which is a component of gluten. And individuals with celiac disease exhibit a lifelong intolerance of wheat, barley and rye, all of which contains prolamins. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് മൈൻഡിൽ വെക്കണം. ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ എന്താണ്? ബി ഗ്ലയാഡിൻ ആണ്. 14th question. What is the primary source of aflatoxin contamination in food crops? A. Poor storage conditions, B. Excessive irrigation, C. Soil contamination, D. Pesticide use. ഇവിടെ ആൻസർ ഏതാ വരിക? പുവർ സ്റ്റോറേജ് കണ്ടീഷൻ, അതായത് ഹ്യൂമിഡിറ്റി കൂടുതലുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഫംഗൽ ഗ്രോത്ത് ഉണ്ടാവും. അപ്പോൾ സ്റ്റോറേജ് കണ്ടീഷൻ വളരെ ക്ലിയർ ആയിരിക്കണം. ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ എ ആണ് വരിക. 15th question. 15. Which fungus is responsible for producing aflatoxins? Aspergillus flavus, Penicillium notatum, Fusarium oxysporum, Trichoderma hertzianum. Answer are Aspergillus flavus. 16th question. Which of the following aflatoxin is most commonly found in food contamination? B1, G2, M1, B2. Here answer is B1. 17. Aflatoxin contamination in food primarily affects which organ in humans? Liver, kidney, heart, lungs. Edine affect cheya? Liver ne affect cheya, liver. 18th question. Which of the following is potential health consequence of chronic aflatoxin exposure? Chronic aflatoxin exposure ആണ് skin rashes ഉണ്ടാവും, liver cancer, respiratory infections, kidney stones. ഏതാ ആൻസർ വരിക? Your answer is liver cancer. B ആണ് ആൻസർ, liver cancer. 19th question. Which diagnostic technique is commonly used for detection of aflatoxin in food and feed? Gas GCMS, ELISA, HPLC, both B and C. അതായത് എലൈസയും HPLC ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ. അപ്പോൾ ഹിയർ ആൻസർ ഇസ് D. 20th question. Which crop is most commonly affected by aflatoxin contamination? Wheat, maize, rice, barley. ഏറ്റവും എഫക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ക്രോപ്പ് ഏതാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, മെയ്സ്, ബി. 21. Which of the following countries has the highest rates of aflatoxin exposure due to poor food safety standards? Here answer is C, Kenya. 22. Aflatoxins are known to be classified as which type of carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC? Group 1 carcinogenic to humans, Group 2A probably carcinogenic to humans, 2B possibly carcinogenic to humans, Group 3 not classifiable as to its carcinogenicity to humans. Your answer is A, Group 1 carcinogenic to humans. 23rd. Who is the current Chief Executive Officer for FSSAI? Sri Apurva Chandra IAS, Sri Kamala Vardhana Rao IAS, Rita Theosia IAS, Sri Arun Singhal IAS. Here answer is B, Kamala Vardhana Rao IAS. At present FSSAI chairman, who is the chairman of FSSAI? Sri Apurva Chandra IAS. Rita Theosia, Sri Arun Singhal, former FSSAI CEOs. Name of former FSSAI CEOs are Rita Theosia and Sri Arun Singhal. 24th question. Which amino acid is responsible for the Maillard reaction in food? Lysine, proline, methionine, serine. Which is the answer over here? Your answer is A, lysine. Here explanation. The first group which gave the most intense Maillard browning Reaction included lysine, glycine, tryptophan, and tyrosine. While alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, proline, methionine, asparagine, and glutamine were intermediate browning producing amino acids. 25th question. What is the main chemical responsible for the pungent flavor in garlic? Allicin, capsaicin, lactic acid, lycopene. Lycopene in tomato, lactic acid in lactic acid bacteria fermented food, capsaicin in chilies, allicin in garlic. Your answer is allicin. 26th. Which type of bond is broken during gelatinization of charge? Glycosidic bond, hydrogen bond, ionic bond, covalent bond. Your answer is B, hydrogen bond. 27. Which vitamin is most sensitive to heat during cooking? D, C, E, K. Your answer is B, vitamin C. 28. What is the primary component of dietary fiber? Cellulose, pectin, starch, hemicellulose. Your answer is A, cellulose. 29th question. Which microorganism is commonly used for yogurt production? Lactobacillus bulgaricus, Aspergillus niger, Penicillium roqueforti, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Which is the answer? Your answer is A, Lactobacillus bulgaricus. 30th question. What is the D value in microbial inactivation? A. Time to reduce 90% of microorganisms. Time to reduce 50% of microorganisms. C. Temperature required to sterilize food. D. pH which growth is inhibited. Your answer is A. Time to reduce 90% of microorganisms. 31 question. Question number 31. Which microorganism is used in the production of blue cheese? Penicillium roqueforti, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Lactobacillus casei, Staphylococcus aureus. Here which is the answer? Your answer is Penicillium roqueforti with green blue color to cheese. 32. Which method is used for pasteurization of milk? Heating at 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, heating at 100 degrees Celsius for 1 minute, heating at 121 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, defreezing at minus 20 degrees Celsius. Your answer is heating 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. A. 33. What is the main advantage of high pressure processing? Enhanced flavor retention, increased shelf life, minimal loss of nutrients, all of the above. Which is the answer? Your answer is the all of the above. 34th question. Which enzyme is responsible for enzymatic browning in fruits? Polyphenol oxidase, amylase, protease, lipase. Your answer is A. Polyphenol oxidase. 35th question. What is the primary purpose of blanching in food processing? To inactivate enzymes, to kill all microorganisms, to reduce water content, to add flavor. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. To inactivate enzymes. 36th question. Freeze drying is an example of which type of drying? A. Spray drying, B. Sublimation drying, C. Conventional drying, D. Infrared drying. Your answer is B. Sublimation drying. 37th question. Which packaging material is most suitable for microwave heating? PET, glass, aluminum foil, polypropylene. Your answer is D. Polypropylene. 38th question. Modified atmosphere packaging MAP primarily involves altering which gases? Oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, hydrogen, nitrogen and methane, argon, helium and oxygen, methane, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. This is the answer in modified atmosphere packaging. Your answer is A. Oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen are used in MAP, modified atmosphere packaging. 39. Which type of plastic is commonly used for bottled water? PVC, PET, HDPE, LDPE. Your answer is B. PET bottles, PET bottles. 40th question. What is the main function of an oxygen scavenger in food packaging? Prevent moisture loss, reduce oxidation, control microbial growth, maintain temperature. Your answer is B. Reduce oxidation. 41. Which type of packaging uses edible coatings? A. Active packaging, B. Biodegradable packaging, C. Smart packaging, D. Intelligent packaging. Your answer is B. Biodegradable packaging. 42nd question. What is the primary purpose of using emulsifiers in food products? To extend shelf life, to improve texture and stability, to enhance flavor, to preserve nutrients. Your answer is to improve texture and stability. B. 43. Which food additive is used as thickening agent? Xanthan, sorbic acid, sodium benzoate, aspartame. Aspartame is used as artificial flavonoid. Sodium benzoate and sorbic acid is used as preservatives. And xanthan gum here is used as thickening agent. Answer is A. Xanthan gum. 44. What is the function of ascorbic acid as a food additive? Sweetener, antioxidant, emulsifier, coloring agent. Your answer is B. Antioxidant. 45th question. Which food additive is primarily responsible for enhancing flavor? Monosodium glutamate MSG, potassium sorbate, carrageenan, sodium nitrite. Your answer is A. MSG. 46th question. Sodium nitrite is commonly used in processed meat for color preservation and preventing spoilage. B. Sweetening. C. Enhancing texture. D. Increasing shelf life. Your answer is A. Color preservation and preventing spoilage. 47th question. Omega-3 fatty acids are primarily associated with which health benefit? A. Heart health. B. Improved digestion. C. Bone strengthening. D. Better vision. Which is the answer over here? Your answer is A. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids are primarily associated with heart health. 48. Which is the main bioactive compound in green tea associated with its health benefits? A. Caffeine. B. Catechins. C. Tannins. D. Phenols. The answer here answer is B. Catechins. 49. Fortified foods are foods enriched with additional nutrients, natural foods with no additives, foods treated with microbial safety, foods with with a longer shelf life. Foods with a longer shelf life. Your answer is A. Food enriched with additional nutrients. Next, Kokumi peptides. What are Kokumi peptides? Kokumi peptides. Kokumi is a sensation that is activated by peptides that occur naturally in fermented foods. It can also naturally occur in more Western fare like beer, bread, chicken, soup, various peptides such as glutathione and other glutamyl di and tripeptides isolated from cheese, edible beans, soy sauce and yeast extract all have Kokumitides. Kokumi sensation എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ Kokumi peptides എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ fermented foodsൽ നിന്ന് അതിലുണ്ടാവുന്ന പ്രത്യേകതരം peptides ആണ്. Kokumi peptides. The researchers have determined that calcium receptors are activated by Kokumi foods. അതായത് Kokumi peptides ഉള്ള ഫുഡ്സ് fermented foods ഉൾപ്പെടെയുള്ള ഫുഡ്സ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? കാൽസ്യം റെസപ്റ്റേഴ്സിനെ ആക്ടിവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. Calcium receptors are activated with the help of Kokumi foods, which magnifies the signals to the brain regarding texture, mouthfeel, complexity and duration of flavors. അതായത് ഈ കൊക്കുമി പെപ്റ്റൈഡ്സ് കാൽസ്യം റെസപ്റ്റേഴ്സിനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ആക്ടിവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ആ ആക്ടിവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഫലമായി എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? സിഗ്നൽസ് നമ്മൾ കഴിക്കുന്ന ഫുഡിന്റെ സിഗ്നൽസ് ആംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? മാഗ്നിഫൈ ചെയ്തിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ ബ്രെയിനിൽ ഒരു ഫീൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കും. ടെക്സ്ചർ, മൗത്ത് ഫീൽ, കോംപ്ലക്സിറ്റി ആൻഡ് ഡ്യൂറേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഫ്ലേവറിനെ പറ്റി ഒരു ഐഡിയ, ഒരു സിഗ്നൽ പാസ് ചെയ്യും നമ്മുടെ ബ്രെയിനിലേക്ക്. അതാണ് കോക്കുമി പെപ്റ്റൈഡ്സ്. ഇതാണ് ടേസ്റ്റ് ബഡ്സ്. സോർ, umami, salty and sweet buds are located in tongue. You can see in that image, particular image. Kokumi is known more as a flavor modifier and mouthfeel rather than a taste. Right? Flavor modifier and Kokumi peptides. Examine question ചോദിക്കാൻ ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. Flavor modifier and mouthfeel ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന പ്രത്യേകം peptides ആണ്. When eating chicken soup, that savory, brothy and meaty flavor is thanks to umami taste, the complexity of flavors and the lingering sensation of body and richness in the mouth attributes to its mouthfeel. അതാണ് umami taste എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ. The basic Kokumi is triggered by certain peptides and amino acids in foods that activate calcium receptors on the tongue. The activation of these receptors enhances our perception salt, sweet and umami. അപ്പോൾ ഉമാമി ടേസ്റ്റും അതിൻ്റെ സ്വീറ്റും സാൾട്ടും അതിൻ്റെ പെർസെപ്ഷൻ എൻഹാൻസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് കാൽസ്യം റെസപ്റ്റേഴ്സിനെ ആക്ടിവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് ഉമാമി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ഓൺ ദ അതർ ഹാൻഡ് വി ടേസ്റ്റ് ഉമാമി വെൻ സ്പെസിഫിക് ടേസ്റ്റ് റെസപ്റ്റേഴ്സ് ഓൺ അവർ ടങ് കം ഇൻ ടു കോണ്ടാക്ട് വിത്ത് ഗ്ലൂട്ടമേറ്റ്സ് ആൻഡ് ന്യൂക്ലിയോടൈഡ്സ്. അതായത് ഉമാമി ടേസ്റ്റ് എപ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് അനുഭവപ്പെടുക? ഗ്ലൂട്ടമേറ്റ്സും ന്യൂക്ലിയോടൈഡ്സും ഉൾപ്പെടെയുള്ള അത് ടേസ്റ്റ് റെസപ്റ്റേഴ്സിന് ബൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്താണ്. These are many foods with naturally occurring glutamates and nucleotides such as tomatoes, mushrooms, cured cheeses, meats and seafoods. Kokumi and umami. Kokumi and umami work together synergistically to give us a pleasantly enhanced explosion of flavors. They can be used to make foods reduce in salt and fat more palatable. There are many clean label foods and ingredients that deliver both kokumi and umami, such as soy sauce, shrimp paste, and in the commercial or industrial manufacturing world, yeast extract or hydrolyzed vegetable proteins. With the health foods on the rise, incorporating ingredients into foods that provide umami and kokumi can be a vital tool in turning foods from dull to an exceptional culinary experience. Adana kokumi versus and umami. Next, 50th question. Which of the following is a functional food ingredient known for its cholesterol lowering properties? Beta glucan, lactic acid, glutamate, ascorbate. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? എ ആണ് ആൻസർ. ബീറ്റ ഗ്ലൂക്കാൻ. ബീറ്റ ഗ്ലൂക്കാൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് എന്താണ്? അത് ഫൈബേഴ്സ്, സൊല്യൂബിൾ ഫൈബേഴ്സ് ആണ്. സൊല്യൂബിൾ ഫൈബേഴ്സ്. 51. Which microorganism is commonly used in beer production? Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Rhizopus oligosporus, Aspergillus niger. Your answer is a Saccharomyces cerevisiae. 52. Which fermented product is made using Aspergillus oryzae? Soy sauce, yogurt, beer, cheese. Your answer is soy sauce A. 53. The SCOBY used in kombucha production is a combination of bacteria and yeast, mold and yeast, algae and bacteria, fungi and mold. Your answer is A, bacteria and yeast. 54. What is the main principle behind pulsed electric field technology? Electroporation, heat transfer, high pressure, centrifugation. എന്താ അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ വരിക? ഹിയർ ആൻസർ എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ എ ആണ്. ഇലക്ട്രോപോറേഷൻ ആണ്. ഇലക്ട്രോപോറേഷൻ ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ. 55. Cold plasma technology is primarily used for food surface decontamination, nutrient enhancement, shelf life extension, packaging design. Cold plasma technology is used for food surface decontamination. Answer is A. 56. Golden rice is genetically modified to produce which nutrient? Vitamin A, iron, protein, omega-3 fatty acids. Your answer is A, vitamin A. 57. Which compound triggers celiac disease? Gluten, casein, lactose, histamine. Your answer is gluten, A. 58. Peanut allergy is example of IgE mediated allergy, non-IgE mediated allergy, food intolerance, enzyme deficiency. Your answer is A, IgE mediated allergy. 59. Histamine intolerance is linked to consumption of fermented foods, fresh fruits, processed grains, low-fat milk. Your answer is A, fermented foods. Histamine intolerance is linked to fermented foods. 60. The big 8 allergens include all except. Big 8 allergens. ഇതിലേതാ except എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ rice ആണ്. Rice. What are big 8 allergens? Milk, eggs, fish, crustacean shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat and soya beans are considered as the big 8 allergens. 61. Which of the following is a natural food preservative? Sodium benzoate, nisin, propylene glycol, aspartame. Your answer is B, nisin. Nisin is a natural antimicrobial peptide or bacteriocin produced by strains of Lactococcus lactis subspecies lactis that effectively inhibits gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria and also the outgrowth of spores of bacilli and clostridia. 62. Antioxidants in food prevent oxidative rancidity, loss of texture, microbial growth, color enhancement. Your answer is A, oxidative rancidity. 63. Which synthetic sweetener is 200 times sweeter than sucrose? Sucralose, aspartame, saccharin, stevia. Your answer is B, aspartame. 64. Which food colorant is derived from natural sources? Tartrazine, annatto, brilliant blue, sunset yellow. Your answer is B, annatto. Annatto is an orange-red condiment and food coloring derived from the seeds of the Bixa orellana. This is the plant of Bixa orellana. 65. Cholesterol lowering effects are a hallmark of foods enriched with plant sterols, omega-6 fatty acids, anthocyanins, lignans. Your answer is a plant sterols. 66. Anthocyanins, anthocyanins, known for their antioxidant properties, are primarily found in blueberries and blackberries, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, dairy products. Which is the answer? Your answer is a blueberries and blackberries. 67. Which is an example of functional beverage? Fermented kefir, carbonated soda, orange juice with pulp, bottled water. Your answer is a fermented kefir is known as among these fermented kefir is a functional beverage. 68. Which functional food category do soy based products belong to? Anti-inflammatory foods, phytoestrogen rich foods, energy dense foods, mineral fortified foods. Your answer is B. Phytoestrogen rich foods. 69. Which acid is primarily responsible for the preservation of pickles? Acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid. Your answer is A. Acetic acid. 70. Which thickening agent is most commonly used in tomato sauce? Cornstarch, xanthan gum, gelatin, pectin. Here, which is the answer? Your answer is a cornstarch. 71. Which spice contains the compound piperine known for its pungency? Piperine is a compound in black pepper. So here answer is black pepper. Turmeric, cardamom. Here answer is a black pepper. 72. What is the most common binding agent used in restructured fruit snacks? Pectin, gelatin, starch, agar-agar. Your answer is A. Pectin. 73. Which method is most effective in retaining vitamin C during fruit and vegetable preparation? Steaming, boiling, microwaving, frying. Your answer is B or A. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Steaming. 74. Which technique is widely used to extend the shelf life of minimally processed vegetables? A. Modified atmospheric packaging, B. Irradiation, C. Vacuum sealing, D. Fermentation. Here answer is A. Modified atmospheric packaging, MAP. 75. What is the primary benefit of the individually cooked frozen technique, IQF technique? Prevents enzymatic browning, preserves texture and flavor, reduces freezing time. Your answer is D. All the above. 76. Which microorganism is primarily involved in natural fermentation of pickles? Lactobacillus plantarum, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Clostridium sporogens, Aspergillus oryzae. Your answer is A. Lactobacillus plantarum. 77. How is marmalade thickness controlled? A. Adjusting pectin levels, varying cooking time, altering sugar content. Your answer is D. All of the above. 78. In kimchi fermentation, which bacterium predominates during the final Staphylococcus lactis, Leuconostoc misandroids, Lactobacillus brevis, Wisella siberia? Your answer is C. Lactobacillus brevis. 79. Which fermentation product is a primary precursor for the umami flavor in soy sauce? Glutamic acid, succinic acid, pyruvic acid, lactic acid. Your answer is A. Glutamic acid. 80th question. Which bacterium produces diacetyl responsible for the butterly flavor in some dairy-based fermented products? A. Lactobacillus casei, Lactococcus lactis, subspecies Lactis biovar diacetyl lactis. C. Bifidobacterium bifidum. D. Enterococcus faecium. Your answer is B. Lactococcus lactis, subspecies Lactis biovar diacetyl lactis. 81. During fermentation of kefir, the kefir grains contains both yeast and mold, yeast and lactic acid bacteria, acetic acid bacteria and molds, propionic acid bacteria and fungi. Which is the answer over here? Your answer is B. Yeast and lactic acid bacteria. 82. Which microorganism is most frequently associated with the spoilage of fermented cucumbers? A. Pseudomonas fluorescens, B. Lactobacillus bushneri, C. Clostridium bifermentans, D. Zygosaccharomyces roxy. Your answer is Lactobacillus bushneri. B. 83. Which metabolite produced during fermentation enhances the shelf life of fermented dairy products? Hydrogen peroxide, lactic acid, carbon dioxide, acetoin. Here answer is a hydrogen peroxide. 84. In wheat flour fortification, which form of iron is preferred due to its high bioavailability? Ferrous sulfate, ferric chloride, ferrous fumarate, ferric citrate. Which is the answer? Your answer is ferrous sulfate. Your answer is A. Ferrous sulfate. 85. Golden rice was genetically engineered to combat vitamin A deficiency by introducing which provitamin? Beta carotene, retinol, ascorbic acid, ergocalciferol. Your answer is A. Beta carotene. 86. What is the most significant challenge in fortifying rice using coating and extrusion techniques? A. Cost. B. Retention of micronutrients after cooking. C. Consumer acceptability. D. Shelf life of fortified kernels. Your answer is B. Retention of micronutrients after cooking. 87. Which fortified nutrient is added to prevent tube defects in newborns? Vitamin D, calcium, folic acid, zinc. Here answer is C. Folic acid. 88. In oil fortification, why is vitamin E often co-added with vitamin A or D? To stabilize the oil, to prevent oxidation of vitamin A or D, to improve taste, to enhance viscosity. Here answer is B. To prevent oxidation of vitamin A or D. 89. Which type of iron is commonly used in rice fortification due to its minimal sensory changes? Ferric pyrophosphate, ferrous sulfate, ferrous ascorbate, ferric chloride. Which is the answer? Your answer is a ferric pyrophosphate. 90. What is the major drawback of calcium fortification in beverages? Increased bitterness, reduced solubility, interaction with vitamin D, accelerated spoilage. Your answer is B. Reduced solubility. 91. In India, which symbol indicates a fortified food product? A. A triangle inside a circle. A. Plus symbol with a green background. An F with a ring. A square with a check mark. Your answer is B. A plus symbol with a green background. This is the image of tongue. You can see particular taste buds of sour, umami, salty, sweet, bitter in particular color. 92. What is the primary role of L-theanine in health drinks? Act as emulsifier, enhances mental relaxation without drowsiness. C. Provides a bitter taste. D. Serves as a preservative. Your answer is B. Enhances mental relaxation without drowsiness. L-theanine is an amino acid. The human body does not produce this compound and it is not essential for humans. Green tea, black tea and certain types of mushroom naturally contain L-theanine. L-theanine may affect the levels of certain chemicals in the brain. The dose makes the poison. Apple seeds contain amygdalin. Pears contain formaldehyde. Potatoes contain solanine. Cucumber contain higher bitter courgettes. All of the food items above contain natural chemicals that are toxic to humans. However, they are usually present in very small amounts, far below the harmful dose. 93. The bioavailability of calcium in fortified health drinks is significantly improved by the addition of vitamin D, magnesium, zinc, phytates. Here answer is A. Vitamin D. 94th question. Which of the following is often used as a natural nootropic ingredient in health drinks? Spirulina, guarana, turmeric, ashwagandha. Here answer is B. Guarana. Nootropic means a substance that enhances cognition and memory. This is guarana plant seeds. 95. Why are omega-3 fatty acids micro-encapsulated in health drinks? To enhance taste, to prevent oxidation and rancidity, to improve solubility in water, to increase the product's viscosity. Your answer is B. To prevent oxidation and rancidity. 96. Which non-dairy milk alternatives is commonly fortified with vitamin B12 in health drinks? A. Soy milk, B. Almond milk, C. Rice milk, D. Coconut milk. Here answer is a soy milk. 97. Which rare fungus is nicknamed black gold and is highly prized in gourmet cuisine? Morel, porcini, truffle, shiitake. Here answer is C. Truffle. 98. The fruit of the miracle berry plant temporarily alters taste perception by making sour foods taste sweet due to the presence of which compound? Miraculin, glycine, maltodextrin, aspartame. Your answer is a miraculin. 99th question. What is the primary ingredient of the Japanese delicacy fugu, which requires careful preparation due to its toxicity? If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications. A. Tuna. B. Pufferfish. C. Octopus. D. Eel. Here answer is B. Pufferfish. Last question. 100 question. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസർ ചെയ്തതിനു ശേഷം എത്ര മാർക്ക് കിട്ടിയ ഒരു 80-85 കൂടുതൽ കിട്ടിയ ആൾക്കാർ എന്തായാലും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. കാസു മാർസു എ റയർ ചീസ് ഫ്രം സാർഡീനിയ ഈസ് മെയ്ഡ് യൂണിക് ബൈ ആഡിങ് ഫംഗസ്, ലൈവ് ഇൻസെക്ട് ലാർവേ, ചാർക്കോൾ ആഷ്, herbs and spices. Your answer is B. Live insect larvae. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notification.